Good morning, it's 6:55 on the 9th of November. It's a Friday. I'm going to go through what the plan was for yesterday versus what happened and the plan for today. So this was the plan for yesterday. Scenario 1. Continuation lower to around the weekly open with an initial test to the upside. And scenario 2 started off the same, test to the upside, check of the MCV pocket, but then continue to the upside. So what happened? What happened is this. Nope. So we opened lower. Well, we opened just outside of the range. Had this brief, quick push down to the MCV poke, which was then followed by the push up as per scenario 1. And then it was a balancing day, firmly and decidedly. Turned it into a neutral day. Right here. Right there. And then we had this big sell-off of around 90 points, is it? 100 points. $96 points, which began around 3:30. Right. So the day was again a neutral extreme, very extreme. Closed not at the weekly open, where it had a bounce. It closed way lower on the 386 HVN. Which is a MCV POC for the balanced area in April 2017. So what the scenarios for today are: like this. We're opening just outside of range. What I expect is this impulse to have a pullback, continuation down to around 360. One or 368 the LVN of the day in template day. It's an LVN, the lowest day of the last 2 weeks. Okay, so maybe here. And after this, so impulse, pullback, extension, to have our push up. And a corrective move that will take us to somewhere not as high as the VPOC, but maybe, but possibly this low here. sort of somewhere there. Scenario 1. Scenario 2. I think the market just opened. Yep. Scenario 2 in green. It's going to be the same open, the same test in the previous day's range, shadow test, extension to the 363 HVN. And then test the previous day's low, rejection, and continuation to the downside. And I'm expecting to get to the prior weekly low. And if we do take it out, we'll have an outside week. Scenario 2. Scenario 3. It's a reversal of yesterday's trade. Like a V-shaped bottom. Scenario 3. And scenario 4. It's a balancing day. With a small range with a breakout to the downside. Scenario 4. And that is all. We'll do it again on Monday.